I saw this cool meme on X, and it was nobody dot 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 and Uchihas, and it's just all the laughing faces. I didn't realize this was a thing people made fun of, that they're all just like insane. Apart from Shisui. Is it true that like Shisui never did this? He was just like normal. So the only normal Uchiha is Shisui. Shisui, can't say it. Anyway, landscape page. Pencil eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. We're going to start with his laughing, happy eyes. They're just happy. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe they're not crazy. Maybe they just like enjoy themselves more than any other character in Naruto. Just having fun. So, curve. Closed eyes, right? Yep. Okay, and we just eyelash this. So we go spiky there, and then add like darkness. So happy. And then eyelid lines just around the top. Maybe something on the bottom as well, perhaps. Then we get frowning eyebrow. And then the other side of the eyebrow, you know, place to add some hair color, like the color of his top of his head. Like lots of frowns and stuff. Right, do the other eye, same thing again. You're about eye width, so measure this eye, come over that much, and start the next. Happy closed eye. And we'll just copy the same thing. So you add some spikes just in the corners, and then darken everything up, make it look like eyelashes. Right, eyelid line just coming across here, and like some little wrinkles just on his eye there. He's got the scars on this side, so I can't forget that. So like, you know, one of these kind of joins his cheek one, going that way. And then his eyebrow. Up and down. Kind of like a check mark, you know, or a Nike sort of tick. And then this comes back down towards the front. So we're kind of looking up. So we got like the bridge of his nose just comes down here. Just the way Naruto does their noses. And then it goes up and down for the nostrils, kind of like V's, sort of pointing up. And then a big laughing mouth. So it kind of like curves over like that first. Kind of looks like his mouth is closed. But to open it up, we'll just add these sort of brackets on the side. Right, these kind of curved lines just here. Just so happy. And then his cloak, the Akatsuki style navy one that he wears. I did love watching Naruto back in the day when it was out first. You know, when we were waiting weekly for the episodes. It's just so good. Epic anime. And his teeth just coming across the top, like so. I remember sitting just refreshing the page. Where's the next? Yeah, good times. Wonder if we'll ever get like an anime like that again. I know Jujutsu Kaisen is kind of along those lines of popularity at the minute. Something different about Naruto though. Maybe it's just nostalgia. Anyway, let's talk. You don't care. You're here to draw. So I guess, right, so we can see like coming up from here just beside his mouth, we can see this bumpy scar sort of side of his face, right? And then this side is just kind of smooth. Just there. And then there's a bit of a gap, and then we get the sideburns. And out from sideburns, we get his ears. Just these kind of curved lines along the side of his face. And then there is ear lines inside. The easiest way to begin, anyway, is a letter J, right? You could leave it like that. A lot of shows do. We maybe add a little bit extra. Okay. I'll get his fringe in, and then we'll detail up his face. So, like his hair, that long sideburn goes that way. And then we got some hair spikes coming across his fringe, right? They don't necessarily have to be even. It's probably actually better sometimes if they're not. It kind of makes the drawing a bit more interesting, more realistic, kind of. Because rarely are things actually so symmetrical. Okay. Just looks like normal Obito. However, he has devastating injuries. So, coming around here, these scars on his face. Some man to survive this. Amazing, by the way, if you don't know the story. One of the best flashbacks ever as well. So some sort of hatching lines just to show that he's been taking a few punches from Kakashi and others. Right, so then the hair around the back of his head. So we got some spikes here. And then coming out from kind of behind his ear. And he has kind of the same hair as Naruto, kind of. So it's just this sort of spiky. It might go off the page, but we'll see how we go. See how it looks. Yeah, maybe it will. Just, I'd say, go off the page. And it's kind of this part looks kind of thin because we are looking up at him. So okay. Right, and then so his collar coming down this way. And then his shoulder just sort of goes off the page down here. And then on this side we have the rip, the torn sort of sleeve. So we got the inside part. Like so. And you could scratch this up as well if you wanted. There he is. Super happy Obito. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.